Do you know how fishermen's children travel to school? Children from families who lived in traditional fishermen's cottages, called casoni, dotted around the lagoon, had to use boats to get to school on the mainland. For a short time, when Grado was part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire, a boat would pick up just one child from each of the casone and take them to school. These children were then responsible for teaching their brothers and sisters who stayed at home. They had to teach them to be able to write at least their name, so that in the future they would be able to sign documents and not just put a cross. After World War II, more schools were set up on the mainland and the islands. Most of these schools had children of all ages in just one class. In Punta Storba, located on the estuary of the Isonzo River, mums would take it in turns to make lunch for the kids. While at the school on the island of Anfora Porto Buso, there was a small canteen. Children who went to school on the island of Monteron had to row to pick up their schoolmaster, so that they could take him by boat to their school near Aquileia. In truth, very few children from the casone went to school, partly because their homes were so isolated, and partly because they were too busy helping their parents. Life in those times was hard, and reading and writing were not a priority. It was more important for children to learn how to fish and use tools. One of the things they were taught was how to make fishing nets. If you want to learn more about how these families lived, you can visit the Museum of Fishing and Lagoon Civilization in Grado, where memories and traditions from this centuries-old culture are preserved. It's incredible to think that families were still living in the casone until the 1950s.